Good morning, children. This is Shubhal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 11A and from R.S. Agarwal, and we have done some questions. We have tried to solve some questions, very important questions I have explained from this particular exercise. And in the previous video, we have dealt with some important questions. So here in this video, I have chosen very interesting and very conceptual questions of this exercise. So the question number which I want to explain, that is question number 19. If the manufacturer gains 10%, the wholesale dealer is 15% and the retailer is 25%, then what is the production cost of washing machine whose retail price is 39,950? Children, the manufacturer gains 10%. We don't know what is the cost price of the product. Let the CP be equal to X. Okay, so find out the manufacturer is gaining 10% of X. So 10% of X means 10 by 100 into X, cancelling, getting 10. X by 10 rupees profit. So children, if this is the profit amount of manufacturer, then the selling price will be X plus X by 10. If I calculate it, it will be 10x plus x, matlab 11x by 10. This is a selling price from manufacturer, but the buying price of wholesaler. Yes or no? Because in this price, the manufacturer is selling the product, but the wholesaler is buying in this amount. So the cost price for the buyer, wholesaler, will be 11x by 10. Okay, let me clean up this space a bit. So now cost price for wholesaler is 11x by 10. Okay, now wholesaler is gaining 15% on it. Chalo, find out 15% of 11x by 10. Let's see what comes, children. 15 by 100 into 11x by 10. Okay, so we can reduce a bit if you want, but I would rather suggest you to leave it like this only. It will help you to calculate better way. So 15 to 11, 165x by 1000. This is the profit amount for wholesaler. Then what is the selling price? Selling price will be 11x by 10 cost price plus the profit amount 165x by 1000. Let us add them. Let's see what comes, children. If we add them, it will be, LCM will be 1000 only. 1000 divided by 10 is 100. 100 into 11x. 100 into 11 will be how much? 100, 0, 0 and 0, 0, just 1 here, 1 0 0 and 1 1 is 1, then 0 0, 1 1 is 1, 0 0, 1 1. 1100 1100. So 1000 divided by 10 is 100. 100 into 11x is 1100x plus 1000 165 x. Let us add them. It will be 5 6 1 plus 1 2, 1165x by 1000. This is the selling price from wholesaler to the retailer. So this is the cost price of the retailer. So cost price like retailer, the cost price CP of retailer or for retailer is 1265x by 1000. Now the retailer is also making a profit of 25%. So let us find out 25%. So let us find out 25% of 1265x by 1000. Let us calculate this one. So I'm using this space, 25 by 100 into 1265x by 1000. Okay, so it's better to reduce. 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100. With 5 I can reduce, 5 4s are 20, 235x. Okay, so finally I'm getting 5 into 253x by 4 into 1000. Let us multiply this one, children. So this one will be we can multiply it. 5 3s are 15, 5 1 carry, 1265x by 4000. This is a profit amount. So naturally selling price will be, children. So selling price will be how much? Selling price will be it was selling price will be so selling price will be 1265x by 1000 plus 1265x by 4000. So children, let us calculate this one. Let's see what comes. LCM will be 4000 only. 4000 divided by 1000 is 4. 4 into 1265 is 5060x plus this one gone. It's 1265x only. So it will come, children. Let us finally add 5 6325 x by 4000. So this is only equal to 39,750 because the retailer is selling the product in this amount, and that is only given in the book is 6325 x by 4000 is equal to 37,950. Let us calculate this one, children. Let's see what comes. 6325 x equal to 37950 into 4000. Now from here, x equal to 37950 into 4000 divided by 6325 only. Now let us cancel it in order to get the value of x. Let us, in order to get the value of x, 5 ones are 5, 1 6. One, 2, 6, 5. Okay, and this one will be 5 8s are 40, 0 0. Okay. uh, if I uh, like cancel it with some bigger value, with 5 to the 10, 11, 12, uh, yes, 5 with this one can cancel it. 5 7 is 35. uh, this one, now it will be cancelled by directly 3. I'll get 30. So 30, I'm getting finally x equal to, it's a bigger calculation, children, so we have to be very much conscious while we'll be dealing with such calculations. 30 into 800 will be 24,000. Children, this was the production cost of that washing machine or whatever. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now children, let us understand the next one. The next question is about question number 22. Okay children, the question is, by selling 8 dozens of pencils, a shopkeeper gains a selling price of the 1 dozen of pencils. Find the percentage of gain. When the person is selling 8 dozen, means 96 pencils, he's making a profit of something that is only the selling price of 1 dozen of pencil. So let the person has let the cost price of one pencil be equal to x. So 96 pencils, children, this is a cost price. I'm assuming cost price. Cost price of one pencil be equal to x. So 96 pencil will be 96x only. Fine. Okay. Now let the cost selling price of one pencil be equal to y rupees. So selling price of 96 pencil will be, of course, 96y. Children, now the thing is, as he makes a profit of selling price of 12 pencils, so selling price of one pencil is rupees y, then 12 selling price of 12 sp of 12 pencil will be how much? 12y. Of course, now according to the question, selling price minus cost price equal to profit. Selling price was 96y. Acha, cost price is 96x. Profit is 12y. Yes or no? Yes, of course. Now 96y, this one will be 12y, will be transposed here, it will be minus 12y, and minus 96 will be plus 96x, as I am transposing their positions. 96 minus 12 is 84. 84y equal to 96x. So children, y is equal to 96x by 84. Chalo, let us reduce it. We can reduce it with bigger number. We can cancel it by 12. Yes. Yeah. 8 12s are 96. 7 12s are 84. Yeah. So it is coming, the value of y is coming 8x by 7. Chalo, keep in mind. Don't forget. Now children, we know that profit by CP into 100 is a percentage of profit. Yes or no? Profit amount is how much? Profit amount is 12y. CP is how much? 96x into 100. अभी क्या करना है? 12y means 12 into 8x by 7, and CP was from beginning only 96x into 100. Yes or no? X cancelled. 8 12s are 96. 12 cancelled. I'm having 100 by 7. If you divide 100 by 7, it will come approximate 14.28%. This is only the percentage of profit. I hope it was clear to everyone. You will try out these two questions. These two are very big and very conceptual question. You will try out these things in your copy and you will submit in the Google Classroom assignment section. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.